Welcome to CoFounder, the AI native operating system that builds with you, thinks like you, and moves at your speed. But first, it needs to learn your business DNA. That's what Persona AI is, your personalized intelligence inside the system, shaped by your goals, your data, and how you think. The more you engage, the smarter it gets. And the fastest way to activate it: start with the outer limit assessment, your strategic baseline that powers everything CoFounder does next. Let's dive right in. From the sidebar, select Assessment. You'll see a list of new assessments available to you on the right side of the page. Right at the top is the outer limit assessment, the first step in calibrating your business strategy with AI. Just below it, you'll also see the innovation stream assessments, which we'll explore in a separate video. For now, let's focus on outer limit assessment. Now click Start Assessment. CoFounder will begin generating a new assessment. You can run as many as you need. We recommend treating it like a regular strategic checkup to keep your Persona AI sharp and up to date. Once loaded, you'll land on this overview page. This is where outer limit assessment breaks into two levels. Level 1 for a quick strategic scan, and Level 2 for a deeper dive into your business foundations. Level 1 does a quick scan across 4 vital areas: business model, technology, market, validation, and how future-proofed your strategy is. Level 2 goes deeper, with detailed subsections and more questions across those same 4 areas. It's a more advanced evaluation that builds on the foundation you unlock in Level 1. You don't need to complete both levels in one sitting. Just start with Level 1 for now. It's only 4 questions, but it instantly adds depth to your Persona AI. Cannot wait to unlock your personalized intelligence? Scroll down and click Start Assessment to begin your Level 1 assessment. Once the assessment starts, you'll see just one question. The next one will only appear after you've completed the current one, keeping you focused. And don't worry, there are only 4 questions in total on this page. You'll breeze through it in no time. Let's begin your assessment with the first question, your business model. You'll see the question at the top. How would you rank the effectiveness of your current business model? This question asks you to reflect on how well your current business model is working. Not your future plans, but how it's operating right now. Ask yourself, are you clear on your revenue streams? Do you know who your customers are and how you serve them? Is your model working well, or is it still evolving? Now give it a score from 1 to 5 by clicking one of the circles. Hover over each circle and you'll see the number and what each score means. 1. Needs improvement. Your model isn't clear or isn't performing. 2. Below average. Some parts work, but key gaps still exist. 3. Average. It's functioning, but there's definite room for improvement. 4. Above average. It's working well, but still has areas to optimize. 5. Doing great. Your model is solid. Revenue, delivery, and customer fit are aligned. Once you're ready, click to select the score that best reflects your current reality. Now, take a few moments to describe your business model in your own words. Include: what are your primary revenue streams? Who are your target customers and how do you serve them? What makes your model unique or competitive? And what challenges or risks are you facing right now? Need help with grammar or polishing your answer? Click Refine with AI. It can clean up your writing or improve the tone without changing your meaning. Once you've filled this out and you're happy with your answer, click Submit. Your next question will appear automatically. And don't worry, there's no time limit. You're in full control, and now you're just 3 more questions away from unlocking powerful insights for your Persona AI. If you need more time, feel free to pause this video. We'll be right here when you're ready to continue. Once you click Submit, a powerful layer of support is activated. Presenting your AI mentor. You'll see a panel appear on the right side of your screen. This isn't just commentary. It's personalized, strategic feedback designed to sharpen your thinking and strengthen your business clarity. Let's walk through what each section means and how you can use it. At the top, you'll see a score that is suggested by the AI mentor based on your written answer. This helps you understand how well your explanation aligns with your self-assigned score. If there's a gap, it's not a failure. It's a signal that your thinking may be clear in your mind, but needs to be clearer in how it's expressed. Under why, the AI mentor states its justification for that score. It quickly pinpoints if your response lacked detail, depth, or strategic focus. This is your first cue on what may need improving or confirming if you're on the right track. Next, the AI provides a critical analysis, a breakdown of what your answer is missing. Is your business model vague? Did you fail to describe customer needs? Is your innovation plan unclear? This section calls that out clearly and constructively. Here's where it gets serious. Under impact of deficiencies, the AI explains what might happen if you leave things vague or incomplete, like misaligned teams, investor confusion, or missed growth opportunities. It helps you understand the real-world consequences of strategic blind spots. The AI doesn't just critique, it tells you what to do next. The call to action offers a direct recommendation. Add specific examples. Describe your risk strategy. Explain your innovation methods. It helps you act with clarity. Want to know how to score better? Here's your checklist. The offer guidance section shows exactly what strong answers look like, including deep examples, innovation detail, and growth planning. Use it as a guide to upgrade your response or improve future ones. Motivation. This section explains why it matters. A well-articulated answer isn't just about passing the assessment. It builds credibility with stakeholders, reinforces your leadership clarity, and helps the AI give smarter recommendations. The conclusion wraps it all up, encouraging you to strengthen your answer for a more accurate, valuable baseline. Because this isn't about getting a perfect score. It's about building the most intelligent version of your business DNA. This AI mentor isn't just a tool. It's one of the most valuable benefits of using CoFounder. It helps you think better, decide faster, and lead with precision. So take the feedback seriously and keep building with CoFounder. And yes, you can go back and edit your answer. You can adjust your score on the scale or click into the text box to revise your explanation. You are allowed up to 3 attempts per question, so use them well to sharpen your thinking. Remember, this isn't about getting a perfect score. This is about baselining your business so CoFounder can unlock truly personalized insights for you. Take your time, use the AI mentor's feedback, and move forward with clarity. Great, that's the first one done. Now that you're familiar with how the questions work, we'll move on to the remaining 3. You already know the format. Select a score that reflects your current status. Describe your real-world situation in the text box. Submit when you're ready. Each response helps refine your persona AI, so be honest and specific. Let's continue. Next, let's look at your technology assessment. How would you rate the current state of your technology infrastructure and capabilities? This is where you reflect on how well your tech stack supports your business today. Think about, is your system reliable and secure? Can it scale? Is it integrated with the tools you use? What limitations or pain points exist? Take a moment to select your score from 1 to 5 and explain what's working and what still needs improvement. Feel free to pause the video here, submit your answer, and resume when you're ready. Now let's assess market validation. How would you assess the market validation of your product or service? This is all about external proof. Consider, do customers want what you offer? Do you have data, pilot results, or feedback from real users? Have you validated your pricing and positioning? Rate your current state. And describe what you've done to prove your product market fit. You can pause again here, complete your answer, and return when you're ready for the final question. And finally, let's talk about being future-proofed. How would you rate your business's preparedness for future trends and challenges? Think long-term. Ask yourself, are you adapting to tech trends like AI, automation, sustainability? Do you have strategies in place to stay innovative? How resilient is your team? Rate your current preparedness, then describe your future-proofing efforts or your plans to start. Go ahead and pause the video here to complete your response. We'll wrap up right after. Well done. You have now completed all 4 questions in Level 1. You've just given your persona AI a strong foundation. a real understanding of where your business stands today. Now click Next to move to your final evaluation. This will compare your self-assessment with the AI mentor's perspective, so you can spot gaps, uncover blind spots, and move forward with clarity. Welcome to your final evaluation. This is where you compare your self-assessment with CoFounder's AI perspective side by side. At the top of your screen, you'll see a toggle labeled See AI Perspective. Switch it on to view how the AI mentor analyzed your answers, shown in green. Switch it off to view only your original responses, shown in white. It's a powerful way to identify blind spots and sharpen your strategy. You'll also see a score breakdown and a visual graph that maps your answers across the 4 dimensions. This spider chart makes it easy to spot strengths and areas for growth. Want to collaborate? Click the Share button to invite team members directly or generate a shareable link. Anyone you invite can view the assessment inside the platform, so you can work on it together. Prefer a document? Use the download button to export this evaluation as a PDF, perfect for sharing with stakeholders or saving for your records. And if you'd like to keep this front and center, click Add to Dashboard. You can add it to an existing dashboard or create a brand new one, ready to showcase in the Discovery ecosystem or with your team. Ready to keep going? Click Next to move on to Level 2 of the Outer Limit Assessment, where we'll dive deeper into each category. But we'll save that for the next video. You can exit the final evaluation by clicking Home or the CoFounder logo. If you click on Assessments, you'll land back on the main assessment page. Your completed Outer Limit Assessment is listed here, time-stamped with your session date. You can also track your progress at a glance. This assessment is private by default, so no one else on your team can view it, unless you explicitly share it. If you click the 3-dot menu, you can rename your assessment, share it with teammates, or remove it from your list if you no longer need it. Want to revisit your insights? Click View Results to return to the final evaluation screen anytime. Or when you're ready, click Continue to dive straight into Level 2, where we'll explore each section in more depth. Wherever you go next, you've already taken a huge step forward. Your persona AI is now activated, your business clarity is sharper, and your strategic journey is just beginning. We'll see you in Level 2. Until then, keep exploring, keep refining, keep building with CoFounder.